Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Visa credit card for UPI payments. First, make sure your Visa credit card is active and ready for transactions. Next, download a popular UPI application such as PhonePe, Google Pay, or Paytm onto your smartphone. After installation, you will need to register using your mobile number, which should be linked to your bank account. Finally, complete any necessary Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification steps within the app to ensure full functionality. Now, let's link your Visa credit card to the UPI app. Open your chosen application and look for the section to add a bank account or credit card. You'll then select the option to link a new credit card, specifically choosing Visa. Carefully enter your 16-digit Visa credit card number, the expiry date, and the CVV. The app will send a one-time password or OTP to your mobile number registered with the bank. Enter this OTP to successfully link your card. Once your Visa credit card is linked, making a UPI payment is straightforward. Begin by scanning a merchant's QR code or entering their UPI ID. Then, input the amount you wish to pay and double-check all the transaction details. Crucially, when prompted to choose a payment method, select your linked Visa credit card. Finally, enter your 4-digit or 6-digit UPI PIN to securely authorize the payment. The transaction will be processed instantly, just like a regular UPI payment. Using your Visa credit card for UPI payments offers several advantages. You can continue to earn valuable credit card rewards, such as cashback or points, on your daily UPI transactions. It also provides immense convenience, allowing you to make payments digitally without needing your physical card. Remember to always keep your UPI PIN confidential and never share it. Regularly review your credit card statements to quickly identify and report any suspicious or unauthorized activity, ensuring your financial security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.